You are watching part 7 of the full series of Java Spring Boot interview questions.
These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. What is the purpose of the transactional event listener annotation in Spring Boot? What is the purpose of the scheduled annotation in Spring Boot? Describe the role of the profile annotation in Spring Boot. What is the purpose of Spring Boot's dynamic reloading and how does it work? Explain the concept of externalized logging in Spring Boot using Logback or Log4j2. First question, what is the purpose of the transactional event listener annotation in Spring Boot? The transactional event listener annotation in Spring Boot lets you listen to transactional events and perform actions based on those events. You can use this annotation on methods that should be invoked when a specific transactional event occurs, such as before or after a transaction is committed or rolled back. The transactional event listener annotation provides a convenient way to handle domain-specific logic or side effects based on transactional events in a Spring Boot application. Second question, what is the purpose of the scheduled annotation in Spring Boot? The scheduled annotation is used to configure scheduled tasks in a Spring Boot application. Applying this annotation to a method enables you to specify the schedule at which the method should be executed. The schedule can be defined using various options such as fixed rate, fixed delay, or cron expressions. Spring Boot automatically detects and executes the scheduled methods based on the specified schedule. Third question, describe the role of the profile annotation in Spring Boot. The profile annotation is used to activate or deactivate specific configuration components or beans based on the current environment or profile in a Spring Boot application. Annotating a class or method with a profile and specifying the desired profile name lets you control when that component or bean should be active. This allows you to have different configurations for different deployment environments, such as development, testing, or production. Next question. What is the purpose of Spring Boot's dynamic reloading and how does it work? Spring Boot's dynamic reloading feature allows you to make changes to the application code or resources without the need to restart the entire application. It improves development productivity by automatically reloading the modified classes or resources on the fly. The dynamic reloading feature uses class reloading mechanisms provided by the underlying JVM, such as Java Instrumentation API or custom class loaders, to reload the changed classes while preserving the application state. Next question, explain the concept of externalized logging in Spring Boot using Logback or Log4j2. Externalized logging in Spring Boot allows you to configure and customize logging behavior without modifying the application code. Logback or Log4j2 can be used as the underlying logging framework. The configuration is typically done in an external configuration file, such as logback.xml or log4j2.xml, which can be placed in the class path or specified using the logging.config property. The externalized logging configuration file provides flexibility in defining log levels, appenders, formatters, and other logging-related properties. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews.